Inside the luxurious life of Drake. We're going to take you inside Drake's lavish lifestyle in this video, including his luxurious home, elegant wardrobe, and luxury lifestyle. Drake is a Canadian-born actor, producer, and rapper who has an estimated net worth of $200 million. Drake is one of the wealthiest rappers in the world and is also the youngest by 10 years. He also appeared on the Canadian teen drama Degrassi: The Next Generation. Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, like, comment on our channel Luxury Master. Let's look at it now. Aubrey Drake Graham was born on October 24, 1986, in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. His father, Dennis Graham, of African-American descent, worked as a drummer with famed rock and roller pioneer Jerry Lee Lewis. This experience made Drake's heart beat to the rhythms of music. Drake's parents divorced when he was 5 years old, and he continued to live with his mother, Sandy Graham, in Toronto. First in the city's working-class end, and later in the affluent Jewish neighborhood, Forest Hill. In his music video for the hit song God's Plan, Drake generously spends the entire budget of $1 million, as do many hip-hop artists in the industry. Drake, like Kanye West, goes above and beyond his music to generate money, as seen by his Yeezy sneakers and Dr. Dre's Beats by Dr. Dre's Beats by Dr. Dre. Aside from that, Drake has a successful clothing brand, a collaboration with the Toronto Raptors, and a slew of endorsement agreements under his belt. He also has many real estate properties, with the most recent of them being shown prominently in the video to Slide. In Hidden Hills, California, Drake has a beautiful property. Although it was initially advertised for $27 million in 2009, the rapper kept his eye on it and waited until the price had dropped to $7.7 million in 2012 before purchasing it. In addition to a massive pool with a grotto and waterfalls, the 12,500 square foot property features vaulted ceilings with arching wood beams, a hot tub with an adjacent fireplace, and a gym. A built-in library, a gaming area, a wine cellar, a basketball court, and a movie theater are among the amenities. It's an absolute steal. Since Drake built it in his hometown, he spared no expense on the interiors, lined with limestone bronze and exotic woods. In an interview with Architectural Digest in 2020, Drake stated that he wanted the structure to last for 100 years and was worth $150 million at the time. Even though the mansion includes amenities such as an NBA regulation-size indoor basketball court, stately Drake Manor was designed by Canadian architectural and interior designer Ferris Rafali to be meticulously planned and executed. Every detail of the sprawling property was meticulously conceived. It was implemented. The furnishings throughout the room were all custom designed by Rafali in materials such as leather and silk. The furnishings throughout the room were all business designed and constructed by Rafali in materials such as leather. Drake's favorite area in his mansion is his 3,200 square foot master bedroom suite, which has an extra 1,100 square foot of covered terraces on 3 sides. The rapper values a good night's sleep, as seen by purchasing a Hastings Grand Vividis bed for $450,000. The designer and artist behind Drake's 50,000 square foot mansion, Ferris Rafali, collaborated with premium Swedish bedmaker Hastings to produce the mattress. According to the rapper, he wore an almost $1 million outfit after wrapping up his assassination vacation gig at the O2, London in 2019. The rapper broke down each piece into $11,000 for a custom Briani jacket inscribed with the name Briani of Aubrey Graham, $2,000 for polo neck trousers, $1,000 for crocodile shoes, and a custom diamond chain for $250,000. As well as traveling in elegance when Drizzy is on the road, artists are known to own a variety of luxury vehicles, but Drake is best known for his private jets. In 2019, he was reported to have purchased a Boeing 676, later customized and renamed Air Drake. The plane itself cost Drake approximately $100 million, with $280 million spent on customization. While Drake's first automobile was an Acura TSX, the transition from an Acura to a Bugatti Veyron hypercar was significant. Inspired by the Bugatti Type 57S Atlantic from the mid-1930s, just 12 sang noir versions were produced, with each one selling for $2.2 million back in 2010. It appears to be expensive until you take a look at the bottom line statistics. The car had an 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produced 987 horsepower and could reach 62 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of 253 miles per hour. And Drake owned the only one in Canada. In the video for Started From the Bottom, Drake recalls his early, less financially viable days as he is filmed wearing all-white rapping next to an ice-white Bentley Continental GTC in the snow. However, in real life, Drake would not wear all-white rapping. Drizzy possessed a super sports version of the Bentley. At the time, it was the fastest convertible Bentley had ever made, capable of accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and reaching speeds of up to 202 miles per hour in the end. In addition, the rapper owns a Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, a Brabus 850 is on the go, Royce Wraith is a fictional character created by author Royce Wraith in the 1960s, luxury automobile Mercedes Maybach S600 Pullman, Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, Lamborghini Safari, McLaren 675 LT, Ford Mustang, Bentley Mulsanne Devil 16, Mercedes Maybach 650 Landaulet, and Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom. Drake is the second most streamed artist of all time on Spotify, and the fact that he's been rapping since 2003 is a big asset in that regard. Drizzy joined with Lil Wayne's Young Money label in 2002 and received a $2 million advance. All of the tracks from Drake's 2018 album Scorpion and the songs from his 2017 album More Life have been charted on the Billboard Hot 100. Scorpion also made history by becoming the first album ever to receive more than 1 billion listens on Spotify in its first week of availability. His song from the album God's Plan was also the most streamed song of the year. In honor of his 33rd birthday, Drake decked himself out in diamond accessories, including a necklace, a custom Drake bracelet, and several massive rings, one of which was a 150 homage to the Toronto Raptors, Drake's favorite basketball team. As a birthday gift to himself, Drake purchased a $500,000 22-carat heart-shaped platinum ring set with diamonds and diamond accents. Drake spends money to make money since he is a businessman. This year, the rapper released his second mixtape under his self-launched record label, October's Very Own, also known as OVO. The company has developed and the Warner Brothers now distribute OVO Sound, representing well-known musicians such as Party Next Door, Majid Jordan, and Cash Doll. OVO is currently a holding business that includes its apparel brand, record label, and radio station under one roof. Apart from spending a fortune on himself, Drake also donates a large sum of money to the less fortunate. He has worked with Apple and landed a record-breaking $19 million deal with Apple Music, launched in the rapper's honor. He is also the brand ambassador of the NBA's Toronto Raptors, which he did because he enjoys the game. Drizzy has already established himself as a legendary figure in the rap business, and the money is pouring in like wildfire. So, what are your opinions on Drake? Please share your thoughts in the comment section, and maybe you could share your favorite song written by him, along with a brief explanation of why you like it. Thank you so much for being so interested, and we hope to see you again soon.